Another video for you all today. In the other video, the other Minecraft video, this is where I got the map from the last video. It was kind of laggy and buggy, but I'll try and fix that later. Anyway, in this video, I'll put the link in the description, or if I can't get a link, I can just, since I'm making a video about this, I can just show you. I don't know if they have this for Android. I don't know if they have this for iOS, like iPods, iPhones, iPads, all that. I don't think that they have it, but check, because I don't really have those devices. But they do have it on Android though. So I went here. Loading. It was this one, I think. Oh no, it wasn't. It was a horror coaster map something. Oh yeah, it was this. This is a, wait, no it wasn't. I forgot the name. It was somewhere in here. Oh, found it. Here we go. This is the map I downloaded. And the next map I'll be downloading, I saw a couple cool maps here. It was somewhere all the way up here. It was all the way up. No. It was Remix the Coaster, Roller Coaster. This is the one I'll be downloading and install. Wait, just a click of a button. Oh, there's a problem. Sometimes it says that, sometimes it doesn't. Just the maps. What's this? Start MCPE. There we go. As you can see, I already have like a couple maps on here. Let's go back. And this is not the app I used. Oh, you can even go online. It's not only in the app, you can even go online. It's called MCPE Hub. This is where you can download maps, but if I'd recommend the app because it's faster. Downloading it online, it takes a little time, but it's your choice, not mine. Even though I recommend that, but it's your choice. Anyway, let me put. Hold on. Hold on. I'll be right back. By the way, guys, this not only has maps. Has maps, seats, textures, skins, mods, and servers. That's for the gist of it. I'd say we'll be going to maps just for the gist of it. I asked to go to MCPE. Hold on. Almost there, guys. Almost there. And then I'll pause the video in a couple seconds. Oh yeah, by the way, leave a like if you like the video. If you want to subscribe. I'll put the link right after I finish making this video so that you can guys. I think people who have computers, desktops, I think you can still play Minecraft Pocket Edition on a desktop. Just like Aptoid, just go to Aptoid, type in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Not even just type in Minecraft PE, and then you'll see it. But go to the second one, first one. I don't know how it's in order. Go to the one that says 0.11, and then choose the latest version. Well, they already have it for you. And then download, install. There, you got it. Anyway, that's all I needed to say. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and goodbye.